One small mistake on your student visa can destroy your future in America. International students in the United States must follow strict immigration rules at all times to maintain legal status. Students studying on F-1 visas are required to maintain full-time academic enrollment, which means dropping below the required credit hours without approval can immediately create immigration problems. Students must also report any address change to their school and immigration system within the required timeline. Many students ignore this rule, but failing to update your address can lead to compliance issues with immigration authorities. Work authorization is another major area where students make mistakes. International students cannot work freely in the U.S. without proper authorization. On-campus jobs, CPT, OPT, and internships all have specific rules and limits that must be followed carefully. Unauthorized employment can lead to visa violations, SEVIS termination, or even future visa denials. Students should also regularly check their I-20 documents, passport validity, visa expiration dates, and SEVIS records to avoid unexpected immigration complications. Even transferring schools, changing majors, or taking online classes incorrectly can impact immigration status if proper approval is not obtained. Immigration experts say many students violate rules simply because they are unaware of them. In today's strict immigration environment, awareness is extremely important. Following the rules carefully can protect your legal status, education, future work opportunities, and long-term immigration goals in the United States.